number 12, number 12, number 12.
1986 Super Bowl XX. New Orleans, the Superdome. The Chicago Bears versus the New England Patriots. With just over 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter, the Bears were treating the Patriots like a rental car, leading 37-3, with possession of the ball on the Patriots' 1-yard line. The monsters of the Midway looked toward their most legendary, most beloved, most prolific running back Walter Sweetness Payton, and give his only would-be touchdown of Super Bowl 20 to 380-pound rookie defensive tackle William the Refrigerator Perry. The Fridge answered the clarion call and went on to deflower the end zone like a hot dog down a drinking straw, giving the Bears a 40-point lead in a game that wasn't as close as the score. William Perry, Super Bowl Leviathan.